Hello everyone, myself Rahul Rajput. This is recording video is 20 January 2022 and this is original video. Today's topic is conditional and control statement in Java. First of one is conditional statements. The simplest of conditional statements looks something like this. Something like this: if followed by parenthesis, and an expression is placed inside the parenthesis, which is evaluation which is evaluated when the conditional statement is reached value reach value. No evaluation occurred above. Instead, a boolean value was explicitly used in the conditional statement. Conditional statement defines condition that are the condition defines condition statement that are true or false and then executed based on whether or not the condition is true. Basically, conditions says if x is true, then executed y. This logic is called an if statement. If statement is the most powerful and important statement because it allows a program to execute differently every time. And second one, these statement are the control statement. A control statement in Java is a statement that determines whether the other statement we will executed or not. It controls the flow of program. And if statement in Java determines the sequences of execution between set of two statements. Control statements can be divided into three categories. First one, selection statement, and second one, interaction statement, and third one, jump statement. Thank you.